Today, I wanted to show you this generator cover that I got, and this is why I wanted to show it to you. So we have another generator that we had purchased a while back, not for the RV, but just for some miscellaneous things around the land. And one of the problems is the UV from sunlight, and it doesn't even have to be direct sunlight. Over time, these little plastic little push buttons that's supposed to keep it waterproof and so forth, these little buttons just start to degrade, get brittle, fall apart. Not something I want to see happen to this generator. So we got this generator cover. I sized it. I believe this is the right size. It's made by a company called PatioGem, and they sell what looks to be pretty quality generator covers. So let me go ahead and take this out of this bag and get it folded open so you can see how it goes on the generator. So once you get the generator cover out of the bag, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, it's a cover that goes over the generator. So when you pull it out, it's pretty much just folds out and becomes a cover. But I pulled apart some of the components on it so you can see some of the things that this generator cover has. One is it has an end that opens up on one side, so that way you can get to the controls and the control panel on the side of your generator without actually taking off the cover. It's not meant to be able to access it so you can run it with the cover. You're not supposed to run a generator with a generator cover on it. So this is more to just be able to get in here and access your control panel, but not have to actually take the cover off. So here you can pull the Velcro, as you see here, and you can conveniently get in here and get to the control panel. So that Velcro's down, this cover comes down and Velcro's over this side to completely cover the entire generator. It also has these buckles, as you can see here, that let you buckle it down, and that would keep this whole section of the cover down. Again, it does have Velcro on it though, so you can Velcro it on and you don't have to strap it down too tight. It has a handle on the side so you can pull the cover on and off easy. It's not meant to carry your generator or anything like that. I mean, it is just a cover, but it's there to help you pull the cover off. And these buckles are important. So if you're just putting the Velcro on, that's one thing, but when you buckle it in, one of the reasons that's there is because, as you see here, I flipped up the bottom edge of the generator cover and there's a drawstring. So this is one of the reasons I wanted a generator cover for the generator, is mostly for when I put it in the back of my truck or when we put it on the carrier that goes on the back of the RV. I wanted something that would cover it, protect it from rain and the UV from the sun and all the elements, but I also don't want it flying off when I'm driving down the road. So this does have a drawstring that allows you, once you've got the cover on and you've got it all buckled in, you can pull this drawstring nice and tight to keep this cover from wanting to fly off. On this side, since I'm here, I wanted to show you this. There's actually a pocket here, and if you look at this pocket, there are some holes cut into this material. Now again, you should never run a generator with a generator cover on it, but this will allow the heat to escape from your generator in case you turned it off and it's not fully cooled down yet. This will allow some heat to escape out of this little pocket, and it's got this cover on the top of it to keep it where no water, if it rains or anything like that, no water's getting down into your generator. You should never put your generator cover on when your generator is hot for the risk of fire or melting it or anything of that nature. You want to let your generator cool off before you put the cover on it. This side, I wanted to show you something else. We have a full bezel on this generator here. This is a fully enclosed generator, but not all of them are that way. Some generators are the open frame generators, so it has the extra Velcro needed also if you have an open frame generator, that you can wrap this Velcro around it so that way the cover actually attaches to the frame of the generator. So I turned the generator around and I tightened the drawstring on the bottom to let you see what the drawstring's gonna do. So I pulled this drawstring out and it allowed me to tighten the bottom of the cover so it goes all the way around, and that's gonna just help it from coming off when you're driving down the road. One of the other neat features on this one is it has this pocket on the side. It's just built into the side to hold accessories or things like that you need that are specifically for this generator. Again, here's the brand. It's PatioGem. Water and UV light is not your friend when it comes to your generator. So definitely put a cover on it, protect it, especially if it's going to be in the back of a truck or outside of an RV. They're usually on a rack on the back, something like that. Anywhere that they're going to be out in the elements, I definitely recommend getting a generator cover. So I'll put a link to this product down in the description of the video in case you want to check this out. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. That really helps me out and helps other people find these videos. And y'all stay safe out there. Take care.